Python mock multiple return values. I am using Python's mock.patch and would like to change the return value for each call. Here is the caveat. The function being patched has no inputs, so I cannot change the return value based on the input. Here is my code for reference. My test code. io.prompt is just a platform-independent, Python 2 and 3, version of input. So ultimately I am trying to mock out the user's input. I have tried using a list for the return value, but that doesn't seem to work. You can see that if the return value is something invalid, I will just get an infinite loop here. So I need a way to eventually change the return value, so that my test actually finishes. Another possible way to answer this question could be to explain how I could mimic user input in a unit test. Not a dupe of this question mainly because I do not have the ability to vary the inputs. One of the comments of the answer on this question is along the same lines, but no answer/comment has been provided.
You can assign an iterable to side_effect, and the mock will return the next value in the sequence each time it is called. Quoting the mock documentation. If side_effect is an iterable, then each call to the mock will return the next value from the iterable.
For multiple return values, we can use side_effect during patch initializing also and pass iterable to it. Sample.py test_sample.py.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.